Hello, I'm Siyona Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today I'm going to teach you how to find the quick squares of two-digit naturals, method 1 for 91 through 99. But before I begin, I have a small request. Please watch this video till the end, because it may be useful for everyone. Now we can begin. First, we need to find 91 squared. I'm showing you the working, hence I'm making a vertical line. 91 squared can be represented as 100 minus 9. I'm blocking the 9. 100 minus 9 gives 91. And this 9 is blocked because we are going to use it. I'm just going to show you. First thing we do is 91 minus a blocked 9. And I'm putting a slash. Blocked 9 squared. Now you must be wondering why I made 4 dashes. I made 4 dashes because this is going to give a 4-digit number. And remember one thing, from squares from 32 through 99, all give 4-digit numbers. So there isn't any doubt. There are going to be 4 digits here. I'm just writing it. And I'm giving the slash because this has 2 parts answer. 91 minus 9 gives us 82, as you know it, and 9 squared is 81. This is a separate segment, and this is a separate segment, hence I've given the slash. Ultimately, the answer is 8281. Wasn't that easy? It's much easier than doing the conventional method, isn't it? Now we need to get 96 squared. Number 2. I'm drawing a vertical line again for explanation. We need to express 96 in terms of 100. 96 equal to 100 minus 4. I'm blocking up the 4 because you're going to use it now. 96 minus a blocked 4 is one of the segments, and 4 squared. The blocked 4 squared. And again, I'm going to make those 4 dashes because it's 4-digit number, as you know it. Just writing it down over here. 4 digits, 4-digit number, okay. 96 minus 4, you know. Oh, I forgot to put the slash, sorry. 92. And 4 squared is 16. 9216. Ultimately, 96 squared equal to 9216. Moving on to number 3, 97 squared. But remember, here in the first 2 it went fine, very fine, but for the next 2 we need to do something else, and the last one is totally different. We will come to that. I'm drawing a vertical line again for explanation. 97 can be represented in terms of 100 as 100 minus 3. I'm blocking up the 3 again because it's useful. Again, yes. 97 minus the block 3 and slashing it because it's a different segment. 3 squared. But look carefully. Just look carefully. Same thing. Everything is same. But there is a glitch because 3 squared is 1-digit number, and if we join, this is obviously 2 digits, and this is 1 digit. If I join these 2, it gives 3 digits, but we need 4 digits. It's compulsory. So here, obviously, we need to write 94 But here we have 9. So to compensate that, we write a 0 in this dash and a 9, obviously. 9409. Ultimately, 97 squared gives us 9409. Now, moving on to 98 squared. Don't be frightened, it's very easy. 98 squared, number 4. Draw a vertical line again for explanation. Let us begin. Again, 98, the same process as we move on. 100 minus 2 gives 98. Very well. Box up the 2. Now we write 98 minus 2 in a block, and we slash it up because it's different segment, and we write 2 squared. And again, we write those 4 dashes as you know it, 4 digit. Means everything here goes to the same process, but you know what happens now. 98 minus 2 is obviously 96. But here again we have a problem. If we add the 4, just 4, then it gives 3 digits, which is not what we want. We want 4 digits because it's compulsorily has to be 4 digits. Hence I gave 4 dashes, obviously. Hence we need to compensate that and write a 0 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. Ultimately, 98 squared gives 9604. Now we are moving on to 95 squared, but 95 squared is solved in a totally different way. Let us see. Number 5, 95 squared. For explanation, I'm underlining it separately because we need to get the answer from 2 different segments. 9. We need to work out the 9 in a different way and the 5 in a separate way. I'm separating it because they're 2 different processes. Here, I need to do not equal, 9 into its consecutive number, 9 plus 1. 9 into 9 plus 1 equal to 9 into 10, 90. And since it's 4 digits, need to write the 4 dashes. 4 digit and a slash. We got our first segment, 90. And here, it's simple, 5 squared, 25. That makes up our second segment, 25, 9025. 95 squared equal to 9025. Weren't these methods of finding squares very easy? If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next block, we will discuss on Tidbits of Mathematics, Episode 3, which is Quick Squares of 2-digit naturals, second method. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button.